Want to change lock widget on iPhone on lock screen? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. Here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily change the widget of the clock on lock screen. First thing first, swipe down the screen from top left corner. Tap and hold the screen and then simply click on Customize at the bottom. Click on Lock Screen. Now tap on the clock. From here you will be able to change the font and the color of the clock. Choose whichever font that you want. And if you want to change the color, you can change it from the bottom. Let me set it to sky blue for now. Once done, you can also change the thickness of the clock. Well, most people doesn't know this, but you can also change the language of the clock. All you gotta do is click on this icon. From here, choose any of the language that you want to set. There you can see that the language has also been changed. Likewise, set the language according to your preference and then you'll be good to go. Once you're satisfied with the widget that you have created, tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go, the widget has been changed. That's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.